right, let's do a Snap-on video. This here is the SGMINI16FG. This is everything that's in it. We got two different sets here. Original price that I did not pay this for was $325, dropped down to $250, and then it was a promo deal through a private party. This is not bought from Snap-on. I want to be perfectly clear about that. Not from Snap-on, but it is Snap-on branded. I got it for like $125. So really good deal. Super excited about it. There's some other information here. You can pause to read. Basically, it's just telling you everything that's inside. Same information on the side. Again, more information. More information once again. And then some, warning labels. Wear those safety goggles. Yep. Which makes sense. Let's go crack it open. So on the top here, we have kind of like our, pick set. Got all of our different pieces here. Nice Snap-on foam. The model number for, I believe this is the whole set. And it's even got the Instinct logo on it because they're all Instinct handles. Got a variety of picks here. Let's take a look. So there's one. Go through these kind of quick. This one is a spoon shape. Hook. A curved spoon. Or a contoured is the proper term. Here's an awl. Nice simple awl. Got another spoon. Smaller one. So this is a 2.5 inch spoon. This is a 90-degree pick. And a 2.5 inch contour spoon. Again, there's all the information, and I can see it. You should be able to see it too. This one is a little hard. This one's a 3 1/8 hook. But yeah. All right, let's go over the second set here. This is just kind of more of your standard Torx. Let's come out of the package. So we got a T20. We got a Phillips #1, which that's nice. We have a T15 and we have a Phillips 0. You don't see too many of those with a nice Snap-on Instinct handle. An FLT flat. This is a 3/16 and a flat 1/8. And again, there's the model number right there for this specific set. And I guess I'll pull these out. T8. T10. With the T15, and I already did pull out the T20. At least I think I did. And it gives us an opportunity to look on the inside here, how they're shaped. And I would like to think that they're going to be roughly the same. Yep, basically the exact same cutout, because the handles are identical. It's just the shank is the different part for each one. Let's fix this guy. And there we go. There we go. That is all of them. And they fit right nice back in this box. Eventually, they will go in. Eventually, they will all go back in a toolbox somewhere. And yeah. So, there you go. Thanks for watching the Snap-on video.